Hello everybody, welcome to this channel again. So today we have Hoki tools that we reviewed today is Hoki electric screwdriver. As you can see on my workbench, here it's a yellow package. That is, here we have the electric screwdriver. As you can see here, it's an electric screwdriver that comes from the Hoki, and here it's a Hoki 802 model electric screwdriver, and it comes with the power supply that runs this type of Hoki screwdriver. So as you can see here, we have electric screwdriver power supply. It comes with the built-in transformer controlled voltage regulator or speed regulator. Here the model number is SDS39. As you can see here on this bench, this package. Today we review this type of products. This type of product is available in stock every time. So if you are interested in this type of products, you can contact my number anytime. Let us open it up. First we open it, the power supply here. It's the power cord. Here it's a fuse. Here it's the specifications of this power supply. Here is the control knob here. Here it's a speed 1, speed 2, speed 3, and it's an on off button. Here we can connect it, the two screwdrivers simultaneously. And now we open it up, the screwdriver. Here is the beautiful screwdriver. Here you can see it comes with the two bits here. Here these are the two bits. So here you can see here it's two bits. We connected it to the power cord, and here we firstly press the on button here. Here you can see the indicator on this. Now it's the screwdriver is on position. Here you can see, as you can see here. Here is the reverse section. Here we have the forward button pressed down. To increase the speed, we place this knob to this second button, and if we press the third, we have the fastest speed possible here. Here we can choose the down button. Here you can see this speed down operations. Similar with the reverse section. This is fitted in your palm. It's a very handy tool. As you can hear, see the live operations of speed up and down. We place the live action speed test here. Here at first, and here is second. Here is the third. Here second, and first for slow operations, and second for medium, and third is for higher speed here. So press it back to off button. Now we switch it to the second one. Here we press the on button, and you can see it's similar to the same operation. Here we have the live demo test here. Suppose we have to change the carbon brushes of this screwdriver, and we have to remove the screws, unscrew the screws, and tighten the screws with this screwdriver. First we on it the power supply. We set it to minimum speed. Here you can see it's a reverse direction. Now we open it up, the screws. as you can see, in between 10 to 15 seconds we can remove this screwdriver and unscrew the screws of this electric screwdriver. And now we have to change the carbon brushes. This video is for demonstration purposes only, so we do not change the carbon brushes right now. But when you are in a field where the work should be very productive and you have very minimum time, then you can use this type of screwdrivers to increase your productivity and speed of work. Now we have changed down these carbon brushes. Now we back again, pressed it down, and you use the forward button here, and now tighten the screws one by one. First we lift down. First we half tighten the screws, then we full tighten the screws. So here we switch off the power supply. So here you can see how we can use these screwdrivers